I have a new baby. It's so cute, but I'm not sure how to take care of it. Oh, hello, Emily. Oh, your baby is so cute. Yes, she's so small and so cute, but I don't know. How can I play with her? Okay, first of all, you need to know how to feed him. Ah, yes, I know babies drink milk. Okay, this is your baby bottle, and let's take some milk from the fridge. Okay, now she's full. What do we do next? Ah, look! After eating, her clothes is a little bit wet and dirty, so you should wash them. Okay, so first we can put the baby clothes in the washing machine, and then we can wash the baby too. Okay, here is the washing machine. Let's put the dirty clothes inside. And let's add some detergent. Okay, while we wait for the washing, we can put the baby in the bathtub. First of all, let's open the water. Let's put the baby in the bathtub. Crystal, the washing machine is ready. Okay, let's put it in the dryer. Look, now we will use baby sponge and baby shampoo. I got the towel. Thank you. Now let's take the baby out. It's finished in the dryer. Now we can iron it. There you go, nice and clean. Now your baby can wear it again. Thank you, Crystal. Now I know a little bit more how to take care of babies. But I think it's time to sleep now. Come baby, let's go. Bye-bye. You're welcome, Emily. Okay, bye-bye. Friends, you can also play something like this at home.